Did you know that you can take an iPhone that can do Apple Pay and a Magic Band, old or new, and actually use it to create something extra special on your phone? Here we have a Pandora Magic Band. Stick it to the back. How about a Galaxy's Edge Magic Band? Won't take you to a different screen, but it will start playing the Galaxy's Edge song. How about something a little different? Magic Kingdom 45th Anniversary. Happily Ever After. While I wish I could say that Disney secretly snuck something into their Magic Bands to make this happen on an iPhone, it's actually something you can customize yourself. We're going to take another example here, the Epcot Magic Band, place it behind. A very quickly recognizable noise. So, how can you do this yourself on the Shortcuts app on iPhone? I reserved this blue Pandora Magic Band to show you how it's done. Click the plus at the top right, create personal automation, scroll down until you see NFC. NFC is important. That's what's actually inside the Magic Bands that the iPhone itself is reading. Click it, scan for a band. Now, you can put it on the front or the back. Found it immediately. Now we got to name what this Magic Band is. Helps us remember it later. We can call it Pandora Blue Magic Band. Okay. Next. We need an action, something that it's going to do when it scans that Magic Band. An easy one to do is to add. Go to Media, scroll down, play music. Then click your music. We'll do Pandora. We've got the whole album here. Now this does require you to have Apple Music. This cannot be done with Spotify. You can download music directly to your phone through iTunes. So if you happen to take something off of YouTube, save it onto your iTunes and transfer it over to your phone. If you don't want to pay for Apple Music, you can do it that way. Flight of Passage. Next. Turn off Ask Before Running if you want it to be a little bit more magical. Don't ask. Done. So now it's set up that when it scans this code, which is specific to this blue Magic Band, on this iPhone, it should play Flight of Passage. So we've got the blue Magic Band. You're going to want to place it directly on the back in the center or in the front. It can do both. You're really going to try and place that part of Mickey's head directly in that spot. Takes a little bit of practice, but once you figure it out, you can get it about 90-95% of the time. As you can see, that popped up. As well as if we go into our music, Flight of Passage Ride Through happens. As we showed with the 45th Anniversary Band, you can make it do even more. You can make it change the volume and open an app. The most successful of ones that I've tested so far would be Disney Plus and the YouTube app. So if you want to do something like that, this band specifically, down here, Magic Kingdom Anniversary Band, when it detects this band, it is going to automatically open a URL, as well as set the phone's volume to 62%. So for the blue band, it can open Happily Ever After. But you can also set it up to other things. Here's some of our videos, the newest one being Figment's Holiday Sweater Overlay. You can go and share, copy the link. Same thing can be happening if you're watching the video. You can go up to the top, share, copy link, go back to your Shortcuts app. We can switch it, so instead of this link, paste in our new one, hit done. Now, when you place the band again in the center back, some of the older Magic Bands are a little bit harder to find, but same thing, hit the center of that Mickey Mouse to the center of the back of your phone, and bam, we have Figment. Sometimes videos will autoplay, sometimes they will not. If you want to be able to fix that, make sure the app is closed. That way, every single time you scan it, it should start playing automatically. So you can see, sometimes it misses. You can try the front as well. Bam, starts playing. This band here, the purple Pandora band that I did at the beginning, this is going to have it set up to automatically play music, as well as go to the Disney Plus app and open the movie. So, Pandora Purple, I have it set to play music as well as open a link. We won't worry about the music right now, so we'll delete that out. This link right here, it's a little bit harder to find because for Disney Plus, not every movie is easily able to be shared when it comes to copying and pasting the link. Sometimes it will work on the app, but sometimes it won't. The best way to do it, go to Safari, type in the movie you want, Avatar, movie, Disney Plus. So you're going to scroll until you can specifically see at the top, Disney Plus, movies, Avatar, watch Avatar. If you have the Disney Plus app installed and you click this link, it should automatically open up the movie on the Disney Plus app. Then, instead of clicking it when you're still on Safari or Google Chrome, press and hold, copy, then go to your Shortcuts app and paste in that link. Then, when you scan the purple band, it will know. Open up that app. If you have not opened up the Disney Plus app yet, or it's been closed out, you are going to have to go in and click your name. If not, if the app is already open, say it's on something else, it will know to open up the app and go straight to the movie. Maybe you love going to Animal Kingdom, but you're terrible with directions. You can set it up for maps. Immediate directions to Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park. As you can see, it is incredibly easy to get a band, scan it in, give it a function, and simply swipe on the back. So many different ways that you can customize your Magicbands to do things for you. All of that with just the touch of a Magicband. If you want to learn more, head to attractionsmagazine.com.